I tested 15 AI side hustles. Only 4 made money. If you've been on YouTube lately, you've probably seen people claiming you can make thousands of dollars with AI. One creator says to start an AI agency. Another tells you to sell prompts. Someone else says make AI art, write ebooks, or launch a faceless YouTube channel. So I had one question. If someone started from zero today, which AI side hustles are actually worth the time? Instead of believing the hype, I compared 15 of the most popular AI side hustles using 4 simple criteria: startup cost, difficulty, earning potential, and long-term scalability. Some looked amazing on the surface, but failed where it mattered most. Others were surprisingly profitable, and by the end, only 4 truly stood out. Let's get into it. Starting at number 15, AI music generation. It's fun, and the tools are impressive, but turning AI-generated music into consistent income is difficult. The market is crowded, licensing can get complicated, and standing out is tough.
Wow.
Verdict? Skip it unless you're already in the music industry.
Rhythm.
Next is selling AI prompts. A couple of years ago, prompt packs were everywhere. Today, many AI models already generate excellent prompts on their own. While there's still a market for niche prompt libraries, it's much harder to build a real business around this alone. Verdict? Good as a bonus product, not a primary income stream. Then there's selling AI logo design. AI can create logos in seconds, but so can hundreds of other people using the exact same tools. Clients are no longer paying just for a logo. They're paying for branding, creativity, and strategy. Verdict? Low barrier to entry, but also high competition. Moving on, AI translation services. AI has made translation much faster, but businesses often need accuracy, cultural understanding, and proofreading. Unless you already speak multiple languages, this isn't the easiest place to start. Verdict? Better for experienced translators than complete beginners. Next up, AI presentation design. Businesses still need professional presentations, and AI can speed up the process significantly. The downside? Demand is more limited than other services. Verdict? Decent side income, but not a scalable business for most people. Now we're getting into the better opportunities. AI resume writing. People are constantly looking for jobs, and many struggle to write strong resumes. AI helps you work faster, while your value comes from improving the final result. Verdict? Solid beginner-friendly service. Next, AI social media management. Businesses always need content, captions, and scheduling. AI can handle much of the heavy lifting, allowing you to manage multiple clients at once. Verdict? One of the most practical service businesses you can start. Now let's talk about AI voiceover services. With tools like 11 Labs, creating professional voiceovers is easier than ever. You can offer narration for YouTube videos, ads, audiobooks, and presentations. The catch? Clients still expect clean editing and professional delivery. Verdict? Great opportunity if you package it professionally.
Hello.
Another popular option is AI thumbnail design. Every YouTuber wants more clicks. A great thumbnail can make the difference between a video getting 500 views or 500,000. AI speeds up your workflow, but understanding psychology and design is what clients actually pay for. Verdict? High demand with excellent freelance potential. Then there's AI content writing. Despite AI becoming smarter, businesses still need people who know how to create useful, engaging content. AI drafts the content, you improve it, fact-check it, and make it human. Verdict? Still profitable when focused on quality instead of quantity. Now we're entering the top 4. Fourth place, AI digital products. Think ebooks, planners, templates, checklists, Notion dashboards, and printable resources. AI dramatically reduces the time needed to create these products. The best part? You create them once and can sell them repeatedly. The challenge is simple. Don't create what you like. Create what people are already searching for. That's where the sales happen. Third place, AI affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing isn't about spamming links. It's about solving problems. If you create helpful videos, tutorials, or reviews around AI tools, people naturally discover products they already need. When they buy through your recommendation, you earn a commission. One well-ranked video can generate income for months or even years. Second place, AI freelancing. This is the fastest path to your first online income. Businesses don't care if you used AI, they care about results. Use AI to write faster, design faster, edit faster, research faster. The client gets quality work, you get paid. Simple. And finally, the number one AI side hustle, faceless YouTube automation. Not because it's easy, because it combines almost every other business model. One video can generate ad revenue. That same video can recommend affiliate products. It can promote your digital products. It builds an audience that trusts you. And over time, every video becomes a digital asset working for you around the clock. Yes, it takes patience. Yes, you'll need consistency. But unlike many side hustles, the work compounds. A video you upload today could still be bringing in views, subscribers, and income next year. That's incredibly powerful. So if I were starting from zero today, here's exactly what I'd focus on. First, learn one AI tool really well. Second, choose one business model instead of chasing 10 different ideas. Third, stay consistent long enough to improve. Most people don't fail because AI doesn't work. They fail because they quit before the results show up. AI is just a tool. The real advantage comes from using that tool consistently to solve real problems for real people. So after comparing all 15 AI side hustles, here are the only 4 I'd seriously recommend building in 2026. Number 4, digital products. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Number 2, AI freelancing. And number 1, faceless YouTube automation. Now I want to hear from you. Which AI side hustle are you most interested in trying this year? Leave a comment below, and if enough people request the same one, I'll create a complete step-by-step blueprint showing exactly how to start it from scratch. If you enjoyed this video and want practical AI business strategies without the hype, subscribe to AI Wealth Academy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.